All right, this is your weekly math quiz. Let's go over this. Look what it says. Order the numbers from least to greatest. What does that mean? What is it?
Smallest to biggest.
Smallest to biggest. So what comes first? So this is 345, but this is 354. See? So 345 comes first. What comes next?
354.
354. So then I have two left. 534 and 543. What comes next?
534.
Good. And then?
543.
Okay. Am I done?
No.
No, because look what it says. Look what it says. Circle the even numbers. Okay? Look at the ones place. 5. Look at the numbers in the ones place. Now you can tell me which ones are even. Which ones are even?
354.
354,
534.
34. Because the 4 and 4 in the ones place are even. The 5 and the 3, those are odd. All right. Says the art show has 145 bottles of paint and 377 markers. How many bottles of paint and how many markers does the art shop have all together? Or have in all? What am I doing? What am I doing? Adding. So it doesn't matter what number I put up. 5 plus 7 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus the 1 that I carried is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus the 1 that I carried, 5. And that's what you have. What am I doing based on that sign? Add. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is 13. Plus 1 more is 14. Carry the 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. Plus the 1 that I carried is 8. What am I doing here? Subtraction. So don't get mixed up. Look at the signs. 4 minus 7. Can I do that? No. There's more on the floor. I need to go next door. Borrow 1 from 2. I get 1. The 1 that borrowed goes next door to the right. Instead of 4, I get 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 4, I can't do that. Borrow from this 3. That makes it a 2. The 1 that borrowed goes to the right. Instead of 1, I get 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. And 2 minus 0 is 2. Now it says Randy is making 6 pizzas. He wants to put 10 pieces of pepperoni on each pizza. Okay, how many pieces of pepperoni will Randy need? Okay. So do I know the total number of pepperonis that I know? Okay, so it's not a division. Okay, so what else could I do? Yeah, just multiply both numbers. What's 6 times 10?
60.
Boom, because I know my tens. I know my tens. I could make 6 pieces, 6 pizzas, right? And put 10 in each one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take forever, huh? Okay, and then just count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or 6 times 10, which is a lot faster. So first, I'm going to round to the nearest 10. Here's the tens place. Am I working with this one right here? No, not yet. So I'm going to put that. Looking to the right. What does the 1 say to do to the 8? Say the same. And replace this one with?
0.
Like that. Okay? Then I would erase it. And here now it says run to the nearest 100. So here's the hundreds place. Looking to the right. What does the 8 say to do to the 1? Add 1. So what's 1 plus 1? 2. And replace these two numbers with? Here's the tens place. I'm not working with a 3 yet. Looking to the right. What does that 9 say to do to the 0? 1 plus 0 is 1. And replace the 9 with 0. So that's 10. This is a hundreds place right here. Looking to the right. What does 0 say to do to the 3? Stays the same. Replace these two numbers with? 0. Okay. Here's the 4 is in the tens place. I'm not working with a 2 yet. Looking to the right. What does the 7 say to do to the 4? 1 plus 4 is?
5.
Okay, I need everybody saying it. Okay, and replace the 7 with?
0.
Good. Then it says round to the nearest hundreds. This is my hundreds. The 2 is in a hundreds place. Looking to the right. What does the 4 say to do to the 2? Look at the screen. And replace those two numbers with?
0.
At the beginning of the school year, Isabella had 400 sheets of notebook paper. Throughout the school year, she used 256. Okay, how many sheets of notebook paper does Isabella have? What am I doing? Subtraction. What number goes at the top?
400.
Right? 0 minus 6. Can I do that? This isn't the answer. Look, this is not the answer. That is not the answer. Because 0 minus 6, I can't do that. I cannot borrow from 0, the 0 in the middle. Okay? I have to borrow from this 4 right here. That makes it a 3. The 1 to borrow goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. 0 minus 6, can I do that? No, I have to borrow from this 10. That makes it a 9. The 1 to borrow goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's 144. Like I said, I hope you're watching. Look at the signs. This is multiplication. Okay? This is division. Three times 2. 3 times 9, sorry. 27, not 28. 6 times 4.
24.
5 times 12.
60.
6 times 3.
18.
10 times 4.
40.
5 times 5.
25.
25 divided by 5.
5.
Yeah, because look, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay. 24 divided by 2.
12.
16 divided by 4. Wait, hold on. That's 12, not 14. And this is 4. 50 divided by 5. 12 divided by 2. And then 44 divided by 4. 11. All right. And then Tina's mom gave her a bag of crackers for her snack. The bag has 20 crackers and she wants to split it between herself and 4 friends. So herself and 4 friends. How many people is that total? 5. So 5 groups, right? Yes? And then I'm going to put a tally into each group until I get 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many crackers will each person get?
4.
4. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 people because it's herself plus her 4 friends. equals 4. So this number line has two answers, okay? And you can put the answers right here. That's what I'll be looking for, okay? So look, it says this number line is divided into how many pieces? Well, just jump. 0 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pieces?
4.
That's it. What is the location of A written as a fraction? So if I have 4 pieces, what's my denominator, the number at the bottom? The number at the bottom.
4.
The number at the bottom of my denominator is how many sections I have total. So how many sections do I have total? 4. That's my number at the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to hop from 0 to A. 1, 2. And what's my number at the top? 2. So my fraction is 2/4. Okay. Letter number 3. On this number line, what is the value of 0 as a fraction? So what's the value of this? 0. But how many sections are there altogether?
4.
How many?
4.
And how do I know that? Well, let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. 0/4. That's the value of 0 as a fraction. On this number line, from B to C is how far? Write it as a fraction. So again, what's how many spaces altogether? No, how many spaces altogether?
4.
Stop saying. I'm not asking you how that. Okay, I'm asking you this. How many spaces altogether? That's my denominator. What is it? 4. Okay. Now what I want to know is what's the difference? What's the distance from B to C? Let's see. 1, 2. So on this number line from B to C is how far? Give me the fraction. 2/4. Okay. Okay. Now look at this one. It says use less than, greater than, okay, to compare the fractions. And you can put the sign right here. Okay. You can even put it in the middle. I really don't care, but the answer goes here. Okay. Now look at 1/8 and 1/4. Okay. My numerators are the same, right? My denominators are the same, correct? So then just look at the numbers at the top. What sign goes there? Less than. Because 1 is less than 4, last time I checked. Okay. But now look at number 6. Now my numerators are the same. If my numerators are the same, my smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. Okay. So what sign goes there? Less than as well. Okay. My denominators, these two are the same, so just look at my numerators. What sign goes there?
Less than.
Yes. My denominators are the same, so just look at the numbers. What goes there? Allison, look at the screen. So 7, we said less than. How about 8? Yeah, last time I checked, isn't it 3 greater than 2? Yes. All right. Now look at the 9, 10, and 11. Listen carefully. You notice there's 3 spaces. You notice there's 3 blanks. I would work out the problems on this side first. So first, I need to find the fraction for each one of these. I got 1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's total. And it's the same size, so this is 6 as well. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored in. 1, 2, 3. 3 colored in. So guess what? You go 5, 6, and 3, 6. Okay? Less than, greater than, equal to. What am I using? Greater than. Okay? I'm just doing one example, but you already have it already. Here it says Paul baked a pie. The shaded part of the model shows how much pie he baked. So he baked 5/8. She baked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. It says who ate more pie. Okay, you have to explain that. So tell me here who ate more pie and how did you find your answer? Says which fraction is shown on the point K on the number line? Well, let's hop from 0 to 1 to see what's my denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one has a denominator of 6? Number at the bottom. C does. That's the only one that has a denominator of 6. Plus 0 to K is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, the answer is C. Let's stay focused. So is look at it says look at the number lines. Choose true or false. Is A at 5, 6? Well, let's see. One. First of all, I need to make sure this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's true. Because 5 is right there. Is B at 7/8? Well, from 0 to 1, how much is that? 4. That means my denominator should be 4, not 8. Okay? Now, if there wasn't a 1 here and there was a 1 here, then it would be 7/8. But that's not. Okay? So that's false. 5 halves. Okay? 1, 2. Yep, that's right. My denominator is correct. And let's see if I get 5 jumps from 0 to C. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's true. Okay. 7/4. 1, 2, 3. Nope. The denominator, you see the number at the bottom, the denominator tells you how many sections you have between each whole number. So how many sections do I have between the 3 and the 4? How many sections? Look, hop. 1, 2, 3. I don't have 4. Between each whole number, I have 3 sections. That's my denominator. Okay? Here, I don't have 3 as my denominator, do I? Do I? No, so it's false. Okay? And then 15 is the last. Okay? It says look at the number lines. Write the equivalent fractions. Do I know what these fractions are? No. Label the number line at the bottom. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are 8s then. So this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. Now, 1/4, right? What's equivalent to 1/4? 2 what? 2 what? 2/8. What's equivalent to 2/4? 4/8. I'm just looking straight down, right? What's equivalent to 3/4? And what's equivalent to 4/4? And then you're done.